In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for keyword research. Let's dive into the process step by step to help you get the most out of your SEO strategy by identifying high-impact keywords. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred browser and search for Semrush. Once you've landed on their website, the next step is to log in with your existing account. If you're new to Semrush, you'll need to sign up, which is straightforward and quick. Just follow the prompts to create your account, and soon you'll be up and running. Now that you're logged in, it's time to familiarize yourself with one of the most powerful features for keyword research, the Keyword Magic tool. This tool is where the magic happens. Start by entering a broad keyword that is relevant to your niche or business. It's crucial to pick a keyword that accurately reflects the core of what you're offering or discussing on your website. This sets the foundation for uncovering keywords that your audience is actively searching for. After you input your initial keyword, the Keyword Magic tool will work its magic by generating a comprehensive list of related keywords. Along with these suggestions, you'll also see valuable metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and search intent. Each of these metrics provides insight into how often people are searching for that term, how challenging it would be to rank for it, and the purpose behind those searches. To refine your results further, utilize the filters available in the tool. These filters allow you to narrow down your list based on various criteria such as keyword difficulty, search volume, and more. By adjusting these filters, you pinpoint the most viable keywords that align with your overall strategy. Remember, the goal is to uncover opportunities that offer a good balance of search volume and a reasonable level of competition. As a general rule, prioritize keywords that come with a lower keyword difficulty score. These keywords are generally easier to rank for, making them ideal, especially if you're just starting out or working within a highly competitive niche. By focusing on these low-difficulty keywords, you can gradually build your authority and visibility, which in turn can pave the way to tackling more challenging terms in the future. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effectively using Semrush for keyword research, helping you craft a more targeted and effective SEO strategy. Whether you're new to SEO or looking to refine your approach, mastering these tools and techniques can significantly impact your website's search engine performance. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights in our upcoming videos.